A random variable x has the following probability function for various values for various values of x. Take down the x and p of x values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 0, k, 2k, again 2k, 3k, k square, 2k square, 7k square plus k. First one, find k. Second one, evaluate p of x is less than 6, p of x greater than or equal to 6, and p of 3 less than x less than or equal to 6. Also, find the probability distribution and the distribution function of x, and the distribution function of x. So again here when we are starting the problem, we have to write the conditions. As I told, we have to write in every problem wherever they asked us to find out k and mean
Excuse me,
variance
ma'am.
and the condition. Yes.
Screen is lagging.
Screen is lagging. You have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Again, if it is lagging, then one more time I will just display. For everyone, it is lagging.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I just display once again. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Yes, is the screen is visible now? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
We have the condition p of x must be greater than or equal to 0, and sum of the p of x is equal to 1. So here the first condition that is k is greater than or equal to 0 is satisfied. The first condition is satisfied for k is greater than or equal to 0. And to find k, we have to use the condition summation of p of x
Ma'am,
is
it's
equal
lagging, ma'am.
to, again it's lagging,
Yes,
for all
ma'am.
it is lagging. Now can you check now? Wait
It is
up to the other side, I will write. Wait up to the end of this part, that is other side. Till here, if it is lagging, then I will display once again. Now, we have to add all the p of x. So, is 0. Second, third one is 2k. Fourth one, 2k. Fifth one, 3k. Sixth one, k square, then 2k square plus 7k square plus k is equal to 1. Now add all the terms here. 7k square, k square is 8 square plus 2k square is 10 square plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Minus 1 is equal to 0. Now I write the factors here. 10k minus 1 and k plus 1. These are the factors. This is minus 10, here 9. So 10 here minus 1. When you multiply, you should get minus 10. When you do subtraction, you will get 9. So these are the factors. So here 10k minus 1 is equal to 0 and k plus 1 is equal to 0. So k is equal to 1 by 10 or k is equal to minus 1. So here we can see the condition k should be always greater than or equal to 0. So this condition we don't want. Only we take this k is equal to 1 by 10 as our substitution term. So therefore k is equal to 1 by 10. So here we have to substitute in the table. So hence here x, p of x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 0, k means 1 by 10, 2 by 10 means again here also I just put 2 by 10 only, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 1 by 100, 2 by 100, here 7 by 100 plus 1 by 10. So LCM is 100, 7 plus 10. So we get, here I will write 17 by 100. LCM is 100. So we get 7 plus 10. 17 by. Now let us come back for the first term. Already we found k value, that is k is equal to 1 by 10. This part is over. Next, p of x less than 6. So p of x less than 6 numbers we have from 0 to 5. So P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 plus P of 3 plus P of 4 plus P of 5 because less than 6. So here P of 0 is 0, P of 1, 1 by 10, P of 2, 2 by 10, P of 3, 3 by 10. Sorry, for P of 2 we have substituted 2 by 10, P of 3 is also 2 by 10, again P of 4 that is 3 by 10, P of 5 is 1 by 100. Answer is 81 by 100. Same thing, find for this second term x is greater than or equal to 6. x is greater than or equal to 6 means p of 6 plus p of 7 greater than or equal to 6 is p of 6 plus p of 7, that is equal to p of 6 value is 1 by 50 plus p of 7 is 17 by 100. So we get overall here 100. So 19 by 100. Last one, p of 3 less than x less than or equal to 6. So here we have to choose from the table p of 4 plus p of 5 plus p of 6. So P of 4 value is 3 by 10, P of 5 is 1 by 100, P of 6 is 1 by 50. Again here also LCM will be 100. So divided by 100, 33 divided by 100. So next after finding out they asked one more, that is distribution function. The distribution function of x. The distribution function of x is, here I just write x, here p of x, then one more line I will write f of x. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I just write here 7. P of x means, see the above table, here I will write 0, 1 by 10, 0.1, 2 by 10 is 0.2. Again here also 0.2. Next 3 by 10 means 0.3. 1 by 100 means 0.01. Again 1 by 50 means 0.02. 17 by 100 means 0.17. Now distribution function is also same for as the cumulative distribution function. Both names are same. So as we have already solved the cumulative, first we have to write 0, because here also p of x is 0. P of x plus 0 is equal to 0. Next comes here 0.1 plus new value 0. So we get here 0.1. Next 0.2 p of x plus new value 0.1. This is 0.3. Next p of x plus new value 0.3, that is 0.5. Here 0.3 plus 0.5. So we get 0.8. You can write in the normal table, because here for me it is no space, so I am writing by putting the arrow mark. So you should not get confused. So here p of x means 0.01 plus new value is 0.08. So we get here 0.81. Again 0.02 plus 0.81. Here we get the value 0.83. Last one 0.17, that is p of x value plus new value of f of x is 0.83. So here I get 1. So this is the way how we are finding out the cumulative function of x, r, kx. Find the value of k and also find the mean and variance of the probability distribution. So here, as they have not given a table, we have to form a table by ourselves. So the distribution x comma p of x is, here I will write x, here I will write p of x. So they have given the random variable starts from 1, 2, 3 up to n, and the probabilities of x are k into x, means k into 1 is k into 2 2k, 3k up to n into k. Again we have to mention the two conditions, p of x is greater than or equal to 0 and summation of p of x is equal to 1. So here we all know this requires k is greater than or equal to 0 and sum of all the term. So I just write sum of all the term k plus 2k plus 3k up to nk is equal to 1. Here I write k as a common. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n is equal to 1. Yes, we have one formula that sum of all the numbers. What is the sum of all the numbers formula? Sum of all the numbers. N in is summation of xi into p of xi. So here x into p of x. So k plus, here I write 2 square into k, 3 square into k, at the end n square into k. Here I just written in the place of k 2 divided by n into n plus 1 into, for 1 plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square I have written, this is the formula, n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. This is the formula of sum of all the squares. N into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So we get 2n plus 1 divided by 3. Now I write the variance. Summation, here x minus mu, or one more formula is there, x square into p of xi minus mu square. Here also x square means 1 square into k plus 2 square into 2k, 3 square into 3k up to n square into n. So here we have mu value 2n plus 3 divided by 3 whole square. So again we have to use the formula for sum of the cube. Sum of the cube means here k I will take it as a common, 1 cube, 2 cube up to n cube. It means n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 minus 2n plus 1 divided by 3 whole square. 2 ones are 2 twos are again n into n plus 1. So remaining write the remaining term here, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 minus 2n plus 1 whole square divided by 9. Again LCM will be 18. So 9n square plus 9n, because 2 nines are 18. 9n into n square plus 9n minus here 2 into, split this one in the form of a plus b whole square, 4n square plus 1 plus 4n, that is equal to 1 by 18. 9n square minus 8n square is n square. 9n minus 8n, that is plus n, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. This is the solution.